students. Standard 10 Maths Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, and we are into the 7th session. In the previous session we learnt how to find trigonometric ratios, right? Then value of expression, and also prove that in different given conditions. Alright, so and I hope you all have solved exercise 8.1. Didn't you find it easy? If not, please solve it, and if there is any difficulty, do ask. Send message on my WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So proceeding further, we move to type 2, finding sides, angles, or prove that. We have to find sides, angles, and prove that type of sums. The very first one is prove that. We'll see. Usme type 2.1, two equal trigonometric ratios are given. What is given? Two equal trigonometric ratios are given, and you have to prove something. Let's see the example. If angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sine of B equal to sine of Q. See, two equal trigonometric ratios. Which trigonometric ratio? Sine. Here also sine, but angles are different. Angle B and angle Q, and they are acute angles, as you know. Okay, sure. Then prove that angles are equal. If two trigonometric ratios sine B equal to sine Q, then angle B equal to angle Q. That's what you have to prove. Chaliye, we'll see the figure first. Okay, this is a right triangle. B is there, so let's take triangle. Okay, this is angle B. So let's take this ABC, triangle ABC. Here it's Q. So let's draw another right triangle, and that acute angle is Q. Suppose this is Q. So P, Q, and R. Alright. So in this triangle, sine B is equal to, from this triangle, sine Q. And you have to show this angle is equal to angle Q. How can you show that, children? वो कैसे बताएंगे? Alright. First, we'll use the given condition. Sine B is equal to, what you have from here? This is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. So we know that sine B is equal to opposite side AC upon hypotenuse BC. And बोलिए sine, opposite side is going to be this with respect to Q, with respect to B here. Hypotenuse, it's always a side opposite to right angle, and PQ, the left side, is the adjacent side. So, alright, PQ is, this is sine Q, that is opposite side, PR upon hypotenuse QR. This is by definition. By definition. And let's call it 1. Now sine B equal to sine Q. दोनों ढूंढ लिए हम लोग ने, sine B और sine Q. But they are equal. Now, sine B is equal to sine Q by data. But what is sine B? AC upon BC. AC upon BC is equal to, what is sine Q? PR upon QR. PR upon QR. अब क्या करें? We got this, nothing else. और मुझे प्रूव करना है angle B is equal to angle Q. How will you prove that? Well, यहाँ दो triangles है. If you show the two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal. B will be corresponding to Q. So angle B will be equal to angle Q. But if you have proved that these two triangles are similar, well, I used color here. देखो, if you want two ratios are equal, corresponding sides are equal, but only two. So if it is equal to third ratio, then by S, the two triangles become similar. But if you think of but see one thing, let's see first. Yeah, you know, black part should be up and red part should be down, or red part should be up and black part should be down. कहने का मतलब एक ही ट्राइंगल के दो साइड ऊपर होने चाहिए और दूसरे ट्राइंगल के दो साइड नीचे होने चाहिए. So let's use alternando. Therefore, AC is equal to BC वहां ले लिया हमने, PR नीचे आ गया, राइट, और राइट हैंड साइड पे QR तो नीचे है ही. ऑलराइट, alternando, you used alternando. ऑलराइट, चलिए, fine. I'm going to call this result 2, and this you got by, okay, and this you got by 1. ये वैल्यू रखा by 1, and this is alternando. All right. चलिए, I got two equal sides. Two equal ratios. AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. यहाँ angle C is equal to angle R. If we can prove that angle C is equal to angle R, then by SAS, the correspondence between red triangle and blue triangle is a similarity. So corresponding angle B and angle Q would be equal. But how to prove that angle C is equal to angle R? आप नहीं प्रूव कर पाओगे, क्योंकि कोई भी ऐसी कंडीशन नहीं है which will help you to show that angle C is equal to angle R. तो फिर SSS के बारे में सोचते हैं. Is the third side, see, AC और BC आ गई, AC and BC are involved. What about AB? You can find out AB using Pythagoras. Am I right? You can find out that. Okay. But here, I'm going to use this. Children, Pythagoras से आपको AB मिल जाएगा, यहाँ Pythagoras से PQ मिल जाएगा. But AB will be in terms of BC and AC. PQ will be in terms of QR and PR. लेकिन यहां से एक रिलेशनशिप है. So I won't call this as fine as 1, but that is equal to K say. So what is AC? Therefore, AC is equal to, if you use this, AC is equal to K times PR. AC is equal to, PR will multiply with K, and BC is equal to K times QR. If you use this, BC is equal to K times QR. All right. इसको आप 2 कह दो और इसको आप 3 कह दो. Take that also number. All right. So you got AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR. और यदि थर्ड साइड AB upon PQ भी जो मिल गया, that is equal to, then finished, the work is over. All right. देखते हैं. Now let us find out AB using Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. Well, AC और BC तो है, ये AC और BC तो है, लेकिन ये नहीं है, तो make that subject of the formula. Therefore, BC square minus, बोलिए BC square minus AC square is equal to AB square, is equal to AB square. i.e. AB is equal to square root of, बोलो क्या मिलेगा? AB is equal to square root of BC square minus AC square. All right. Okay. Put the value now. What is BC? K into QR square. And what is AC? K into PR square. So take that. Put the value. All right. Now, I'll just erase this part to continue. Okay. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of, boliye, what will be BC? What is BC? K into QR. So what will be BC square? K square into QR square. K square into QR square. Minus. Also you have substitution for AC. AC is K into PR. So AC square will be K square into PR square. K square is common in the two terms. Bracket mein QR square minus PR square. And the square root holds. Okay. This K comes out because it is perfect square. Or ये it will remain inside. QR square minus PR square. Alright. ये bracket लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Some children make mistake. Square root of QR square minus PR square. They cancel this square root. नहीं. ये QR minus PR whole square नहीं है. That is not equal to that. So be careful. Okay. चलिए. Now you got this. What is that? AB equal to. Let's call it result number 4. And where did you substitute? आपने यहां substitution किया. कहां से? 3 से. So by 3. So what is AB? K into this. All right. Now, in triangle PQR, बोलिए, Pythagoras, QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square by Pythagoras. I'm writing in short. Please, you don't write like this. Here also. By Pythagoras. I don't have space to write. Okay. Children, यहाँ the third one is PQ. So आपको इसको subject of the formula बनाना है. PQ square. So therefore, बोलिए, therefore, QR square minus PR square is equal to PQ square. चलो, taking square root on both sides. Therefore, या ये square root में ही रहेगा. QR square minus PR square is equal to PQ. i.e. PQ is equal to QR square minus PR square. Call it result number 5. Children, आपको आपके पास AC अपॉन PR है, BC अपॉन QR है. Now you find out AB अपॉन PQ. ये रहा AB रिजल्ट 4 में, ये रहा PQ रिजल्ट 5 में. So just find out what you are getting AB upon PQ. So by 4 and 5, it follows that AB upon PQ. Now what is AB? K into root QR square minus PR square upon. What is PQ? Into QR square minus PR square. Arey wah, wonderful, this is the same. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to K. Call it result number 6. Arey children, AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR is equal to K. And now AB upon PQ is also K. So by result 2 and result 6, if you remember, I had cancelled this result number. But then I put it again because I knew it was required later. So here, AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR equal to K. And now we got the third corresponding ratio of side. AB upon PQ is equal to K. So what can I do now? Fine. All right. By 2 and 6. By 2 and 6. It follows that. What? AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ. Finished. S is satisfied. Am I right? Side, side, side. It is satisfied for similarity between two triangles. Therefore, a correspondence. Therefore, a correspondence. Upper AB, BC, AC. Yes, I am writing ABC corresponds to dash, dash, dash is a similarity by SSS theorem. चलिए, इसमें क्या रिपीट हो रहा है? C और यहां क्या रिपीट हो रहा है? R. So C corresponds to R. अब पक्का, you know C corresponds to R. So A corresponds to P. A is first. So P should be first. Now the remaining one is Q. Therefore, correspondence is similarity. So corresponding angles, angle B equal to angle Q. Prove. देखा? Angle B is equal to angle. I hope you understood it. Yes, children. This is very important for board exam. This question is very important for board exam. Understood? Children, समझ में आया? Now one thing you have to note and put it in your brain. क्या आपको डालना है? समझो बराबर. See, sin B is equal to sin Q. If sin B is equal to sin Q, ये sin sin, तो ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होना चाहिए. So angle B equal to angle Q. Then angle B equal to angle Q. That is same for remaining 5 trigonometric ratios also. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then you can say theta is equal to alpha. If tan 90 is equal to tan k plus 1, ऐसा दिया, tan 10, so that is possible only if these angles are equal. So 90 is equal to k plus 1, angle equal to angle. Cosec 45 is equal to cosec alpha plus beta. If this is the situation, then you can say this, see, cosec and both are equal. So angle should be equal to angle. So only I am writing angle 45 and equal to angle. Here angle is alpha plus beta. Sec alpha plus beta is equal to sec 2 alpha. Yes, sec and both are equal. So angles also have to be equal. So I can write angle alpha plus beta is equal to angle 2 alpha. This is how you get. कोई बाकी है? Sin, cos, yes, cot. Cot of 1 is equal to cot of alpha plus beta. Yeah, cot equal to cot and both are equal. So that means angles are equal. So 1 is equal to alpha plus beta. So please remember this. We will be using this result quite often. We proved it. Now we proved for sin. Same way you can prove for the remaining 5 as well. Okay? Done? Understood? Fine? Okay. So we move to next type, and that is type 2.2. One side and one angle are known. In the information you have measure of one side and one angle. In right triangle, of course. And you have to find the remaining side. Very easy. We are going to see two sums. The example one, it is illustration 6 of your textbook. Okay, let's see that first. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. So it's right angle at B. So let me draw right triangle. It is right angle at B. So let's say this is A and C. A and C are acute angles. AB is 5 centimeter. Where is AB? Here. This is 5 centimeter. Angle ACB. That means this one, C. This is 30 degree. Alright. Determine the lengths of sides BC and AC. What is BC and what is AC? Alright. Now see, in right triangle, side opposite to angle of measure 30, AB is half of AC. You can use that result. So you will get AC directly. And you got AB and AC. Use Pythagoras to find BC. So you can employ this also. Alright. So I'll start with that only. In triangle ABC, right angled at C. Right angled at B. Angle C or ACB is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, AB is equal to half of AC. By proved result. Therefore, what is AB? 5 is equal to half of AC. Take 2 on other side. 5 into 2 is equal to AC. i.e. AC is equal to 10. So ये तो मिल गया आपको. Now we have to find BC. So use Pythagoras. Also, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. चलिए AC, now you know 10. 10 square is equal to AB, that is 5. So 5 square plus BC square. Use A square minus B square. 10 square minus 5 square is equal to BC square. i.e. BC square, right hand side left hand side लिखा, और 10 square minus 5 is 10 plus 5 into 10 minus 5. That is 15 into 5. Therefore, BC square is this. So taking square root on both sides. Very easy. First you find out the prime factors. 3 5s and 5 1s. I'm not writing 1 because I'll continue with 5 and 5 1s. So you got pair 5 or here alone here, so it will remain in root. So square root gone. So BC is equal to 5 root 3. So this is 5 root 3 and this is 10. So you found the measures of remaining two sides. Got it? Now we are going to see alternative method. Alright? There is one more method. And what is that? 30 degree. Children, 30 degree is a regular angle, special angle. So it is, you can use trigonometric ratios of special angle. Okay, children? Chaliye. With respect to this 30 degree, this is opposite side which is known. This is hypotenuse which is unknown. And this is adjacent side which is unknown. So you have 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Pick one to find the side. Chaliye. Which side is known? Opposite side. तो इन्वॉल्व दैट. ऑपोजिट साइड हम लेंगे ही. तो ऑपोजिट कहां आता है? साइन में, टेन में, कॉट में सारे और कॉसेक में. 4 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज में ऑपोजिट साइड्स आते हैं. का सो टोवा देखा यहां ऑपोजिट साइड साइन में और इसके कन्वर्स में भी, कॉसेक में, टेन में और उसका इनवर्स that is cot. ये 4 trigonometric ratios में opposite side is inverse. O. So you can pick up any one. I'll pick up sine. We know that sine of 30 degree with respect to angle 30, opposite side AB upon hypotenuse AC by definition. Now you should know what is sine 30. याद करो, sine 30 is half. Half is equal to AB. AB is 5 upon AC. Cross multiplication karo. Therefore, AC is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Therefore, AC is equal to 10. Got AC 10? Now, you have to find this hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. So, you got this 10. Now, you need adjacent side. So, involve adjacent side and opposite side. What is adjacent upon opposite? Cot. And cot 30 degree is equal to adjacent side which is BC upon upon opposite side that is AB. You can even take 10 भी ले सकते हैं, ये 4 में से कोई भी ले लो. ठीक है. Now cot 30 is root 3. वो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, वो टेबल से देखना पड़ेगा. That is equal to BC. BC ढूंढना है. And AB is 5. Cross multiply करो. 5 root 3 is equal to BC, i.e. BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. You can write centimeter because here centimeter is given or no? Yeah, centimeter is given. I will write it. Clear, children? So this is alternative method. You can use trigonometric ratios of special angles to find the remaining two sides, or you use that result in right triangle. If angle of measure 30 is given, then side opposite to that is half of the hypotenuse. Clear? So we see the next one. Here's the next one. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90. All right. This C is 90. You may write A and B. Angle B is 60. This one is 60 degree. All right. AB is 15. AB is hypotenuse. That is 15. Find measures of remaining sides. AC and BC are remaining sides. And also angles. Angle A is remaining angle. Alright. First we find measure of sides. Now with respect to 60, this is opposite side. ये हमेशा hypotenuse opposite to right angle है. And this is adjacent side. आपके पास hypotenuse है. So you can use this hypotenuse. ये चार में से कोई भी ले लो. Alright. Let's take cos. We know that cos of 60 degree is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So AC upon AB by definition. Okay, this you got by definition. Now cos 60 is half. That is equal to AC. We do not know. And AB, that is 15. Cross multiply karo. 15 upon 2 is equal to AC. i.e. AC is equal to 7.5 units. So you got AC. ये मिल गया 7.5. अब ढूंढना है AC which is opposite. तो opposite को इन्वॉल्व करो. ये opposite वाला है sin. So what is sin 60? Opposite side AC upon hypotenuse AB. Now you should know what is sin 60. What is that? Root 3 by 2 is equal to AC. We have to find, and AB, that is 15. Take it on the other side. Root 3 by 2 into 15 is equal to AC. 2 1s and 2 7.5s. i.e. AC is equal to 7.5 times root 3. That's it. You got AC as well now. This is 7.5 root 3 and this you got 7.5. Correct? Now, one more thing you are supposed to find, and that is angle, remaining angle. Angle C, you know the measure is 90. Angle A, you know angle B, you know the measure is 60. So remaining angle is A, and that is what you have to find. How will you find? Yes, use the identity of triangle. And what is the identity of triangle? The sum of measures of all three angles of a triangle is 180. Alright. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Chalo, A we do not know. B it is 60. Or C that is 90 is equal to 180. Chali, angle A, yes, two numbers. What is total? 150 is equal to 180. Take 150 on the other side. So 180 minus 150. Therefore, angle A is equal to 30 degree. If you subtract, you get 30. So this is 30 degree. So you found remaining sides and the remaining angle. Got it, children? Alright, children. So now this is type 2.3. Two sides are given. In right triangle, measures of two sides are given. And you have to determine the measure of angles. One is the right angle. The remaining two you have to determine. Alright? And sometimes you have to find the remaining side as well. Let's see example 1 of type 2.3. Yes, it is from your textbook, illustration 7. Let's see the statement. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, obviously it's a right triangle, right? Right angled at Q. Q is right angle. So you may say this is P and this is R. If you want to say this P and this R, no problem. Okay? Chaliye. PQ is 3. Where is PQ? Here. This is 3. And PR is 6. Where is PR? This one. This is 6 centimeter. Determine angle P and angle R. P and R. ये दोनों को आप ढूंढना है. What is measure of angle P and what is measure of angle R? Alright. First, let's see P. First we'll find out angle P. With respect to P, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Which two sides are known? PQ and PR. That is hypotenuse and adjacent. So take the trigonometric ratio. Ka. So. Tova. Adjacent or hypotenuse. Here it is. The trigonometric ratios in which both are involved. Adjacent and hypotenuse. So either you may take cos, which is this one, or you may take sec. Let's take cos. Cos of P. Alright. We know that. बताइए, cos of P adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is PQ upon PR. Therefore, cos P is equal to PQ is 3 upon PR is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore, cos of P is equal to half. Children, आपको अब ये देखना होगा, half is cos of which angle? Children, that first method if I had showed you, ये 45 degree है, ये 0 degree है, ये 30 degree है, ये 60 degree है, and this is 90 degree. Or you can use the table. 0 के साथ 1 0, 30 root 3 by 2 and half, 45 1 over root 2, 1 over root 2, 30 का उल्टा half or root 3 by 2, 1 0 का उल्टा 0 1. Now cos is the first value as you know. तो पहली value half, पहली value go through. What is the first value? 1. What is the first value? Root 3 by 2. What is the first value? 1 upon root 2. What is the first value? 1 half. That is cos 60. So therefore, cos P is equal to cos 60. Cos P is equal to cos 60. For half, I wrote, for this half, I wrote cos 60. Now see, cos, and they are equal. Therefore, P is equal to 60. By result. हमने वो result देखा ना? i.e. angle P is 60 degree. That is the meaning. So, you got the 60 degree. Now you can use what? You can use identity of triangle. Measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. And find out what is measure of angle R. Fine. That's it. Angle P, you got it. And angle R, use trigonometric identity. Should I do or you will be able to do? I know most of you are saying yes, we'll be able to do. Anyway, I'm completing it. We know that. Don't write in short form, please. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. What is P? Now we got this, 60. Therefore, Q, that is 90, plus angle R, that is what we are looking for. What is the total measure? 150 plus angle R is equal to 180. So angle R is 180 minus 150. Therefore, angle R is 30 degree. So you got measure of angle P is 60 and measure of angle R is 30 degree. Got it? So now we move on to, ready for the example 2? Under the type 2.3? Yes. In triangle ABC, angle B is right angle. Alright. Yes, right triangle. Angle B is right angle. You may put A here and C. So that is right triangle ABC. AB is 3. This one is 3. AC is 6. This one is 6. Find angle C and angle A. And also find BC. BC you can find out using Pythagoras, because measures of two sides are known. Are you getting me? Chaliye. Now with respect कौन सा ढूंढना है आपको? ऑलराइट, सी ढूंढेंगे. सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एंगल सी, दिस इज ऑपोजिट, दिस इज ऑब्वियसली हाइपोटेन्यूस एंड दिस इज एडजेसेंट. So 6 and 3 are known. That means opposite and hypotenuse are known. So opposite and hypotenuse here, opposite and hypotenuse are here. So either you use sine or cosec. क्या यूज करना चाहते हो? Sine? Yes. Basic या fundamental trigonometric ratios are cos and sine. So if you have to choose sine or cosec, then choose sine. If you have to choose cos and sec, choose cos. Right? Oh. We know that sine of which angle? C. Sine of C is equal to opposite side AB upon the hypotenuse AC. Definitely this is by definition. Therefore sine of angle C is equal to, now AB it's known 3, that is 6, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore sine C is equal to half. This time it is sine. So you have to see the second value. Second value dekho. 0, 1 half. There, you got it, you got it. What is that? Sine of 30. Therefore, sine C. And this value half is sine 30. You got sine, sine and they are equal. So the result that we proved shows, therefore C is equal to 30 by result. i.e. angle C is 30 degree. So you got angle C. ये आपको मिल गया. Now you have to find angle A. So use trigonometric identity. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So C is now 30. This is 90. 30 plus 90 is 120. And 180 में से 120 जाएगा तो angle A is 60. Got it? And BC you find out using Pythagoras. I hope you will be able to complete this nicely. Please enter it in your notebook very systematically. Alright, good. So alright children, we move on to the next type, type 2 में, type 2.4 now, right? It is type 2.4. Well, I have added here, type 2 में, finding sides, angles and prove that. यहाँ expression भी है. Alright, so see here, type 2.4 trigonometric ratio is given. You are given one trigonometric ratio, the value out of 6. Okay, and you have to find the value of expression. I have taken two examples here. Let's see the first one. If tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4, here you are. So you are given value of one trigonometric ratio, tan theta, and you have to find the value of this expression. Now, if you observe the expression, it has only two trigonometric ratios, that is sine and cos. It is sine and cos. So you need to know the value of sine and cos. Tan theta is given. Find sine theta and cos theta. We have seen this in type 1. What we used to do? We used to draw right triangle. कुछ भी नाम दे देते थे. Right? और यहाँ angle theta. So one of them is theta. With respect to theta, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. And we used to start like this. Tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Now tan is opposite upon adjacent. That is AB upon BC. That is 3 upon 4. Then AB, let AB is equal to 3K. So I can put AB 3K here. Then BC will be 4K. Here BC is 4K, and using Pythagoras we find AC, that is 5K. I'm not using it right now. Now you can find out sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. 3K upon 5K. 3K upon 5K. That gives me 3 upon 5. And next you need is cos. So cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. That is 4K upon 5K. That is 4 upon 5. Having known the value of sine and cos, now you can find the value of expression. What is expression? 5 sine theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 sine theta minus cos theta. That is equal to 5 into the value of sine, 3 upon 5. Good, gone. Multiplication, so cancels. Plus 2 into cos theta. What is cos theta? 4 upon 5. Unlucky here, you can't cancel. I'm putting these two terms in the numerator in the large bracket. And this whole upon, I'm converting into division sign. Next bracket, 3 into sin theta. Sin theta is 3 upon 5 plus. In fact, it is minus cos theta 4 upon, only cos theta. That is 4 upon 5. Nothing cancels here. It would be wise if we don't cancel this as well. क्यों? क्योंकि 3 रह जाएगा, 3 upon 1 करना पड़ेगा, फिर LCM करना पड़ेगा. So better I leave this, I don't cancel this. So I'm using my smartness here. चलिए, 3 5s are 15 upon 5 plus 4 2s are 8 upon 5. This is the reason, like denominator. आसान है, वो आसान रहेगा. Divide by 9 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5. Now this is 15 plus 8 whole upon 5 divided by 9 minus 4 whole upon 5. You know that. So that is 23 upon 5. I'm multiplying. Division sign I'm converting into multiply. So I have to make inverse. So 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5. Alright. So this 5 and 5 cancel. So answer is 23 upon 5. So what is the answer? What is the value of this? 23 upon 5. The value of this expression is 23 upon 5. But you have made a long journey to get the value of this. Can we have short journey? Yes. I'm going to show you that method. This we have learnt in type 1. This method we have learnt in type 1. Alright. Now in type 2, I'm going to give you a very nice method, shortcut. Alright. Method. Type 2.4. Let's see. What are you given? Tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Children, यहाँ sin और cos चाहिए मुझे. And I'm going to get it. And it's a ratio. Numerator upon denominator. That's why we can do this method. Therefore, by trigonometric interrelationship. By interrelationship. I'm going to use that. What is tan? Sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. By interrelationship. That is equal to 3 upon 4. This is by data. Here you will not need to draw the figure as well. Okay? बोलिए supposition. Let sin theta is equal to 3k, not 3. Then cos theta is equal to 4k. Yes, put this value in that expression. Now, what is the expression whose value we have to find? 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta upon 3 sin theta minus cos theta. That is equal to 5 into, what is sin theta? 3k plus 2 into, what is cos theta? 4k whole upon 3 into sin theta, that is 3k minus cos theta, that is 4k. That is equal to, बोलिए 5 3s are 15k plus 4 2s are 8k upon 3 3s are 9k minus 4k. What is 25k? They are like terms. 15k plus 8k is 23k. 9k minus 4k is 5k. This is the reason, children. ये जाता है, it cancels. So 23 upon 5. That is the value. Isn't it this? Good method, right? So you can use this because you need to save time in examination. So if this sum is asked, don't use type 1 method. Use type 2 method. Alright? Okay? Got it? Chaliye. Next one. Here sin and cos you got directly because tan was given. Here sec is given. So situation is slightly different. Yes. So our approach also should be different. Let's see what we do. What are we going to do here? Sec is given. And again, the expression whose value we have to find involves sin and cos. So we'll have to find the value of sine and cos. Alright? Chaliye. Solution. Sec theta is equal to 13 upon pi by theta. Alright? Can we find 10 using this? Yes. We can find 10 or we can find cos. We can find 10 or we can find cos. That is trigonometric identity. We know that 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta. By identity, trigonometric ratio identity. Therefore, 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec theta is 13 upon pi. So square of that will be 169 upon 25. You can call this 1 by 1. Alright? Chaliye, take 1 on other side. 10 square theta is equal to 169 upon 25 minus 1. First term is in fractional form. So let's represent second term also in fractional form. The LCM of 25 and 1 is 25. Now 25, 1s are 25 and 125s are 25. So 169 1s is 169 minus 1 into 25 is 25. Therefore, 10 square theta is equal to, if you subtract, you are getting 144 upon 25. So taking square root on both sides, the right hand side is a beautiful rational number, perfect square. Therefore, square root gone, 10 theta. What is square root of 144? 12. And what is square root of 25? 5. Wow, you got. Proceed. Proceed. I'm writing that. Therefore, sine theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5 by interrelationship. Correct? Let sine theta is equal to 12a. I put small a instead of k. Or I can put x if I want. Then what will be cos theta? 5x. Call it result number 2. Now pick up this value. In fact, the expression, put the value 2 into sine. That is 12x plus 3 into cos. Cos is 5x upon 5 into cos. Cos is 5x minus 4 into sine. Sine is 12x. This gives me 12 2s are 24x plus 15x upon 5 5s are 25x minus 48x. Alright? Let me erase this part. So the total is 39x. And this difference, 48 minus 25, that is 23. Correct? And it is minus x. Well, x will cancel. Now this is prime number, you can't reduce. So minus 39 upon 23 will be the value of this expression. Got it? आपको नोटबुक में बड़ी सुंदर तरीके से लिखना है. The presentation should be good. Alright? Now I have got limitation. The board is small. So I am using the space wherever I am getting. But in the book, you have pages. Write nicely on it. Okay? So I hope you have understood. Good. So here we end up the session number 7. Okay? And you have to solve exercise 8.2. Alright. Now, tomorrow, not today. Okay? Fine. You revise this. Okay? Enter everything in your notebook and we'll see tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.